place is awesome. It's Smith Rock State Park, and I've been wanting to come here for years, but I made the mistake that I usually try to avoid, and that's coming here on a Saturday. I've learned to stay home on the weekends and go out during the week. It took me 2 hours to find a parking spot. That's how busy this place is.
Taken, double parked.
I'm driving through. I'm not gonna be here long, so it's today or today. So let's go see what we find here, because this place is incredible. So this place here, apparently it's very popular with rock climbers. There's people climbing on every rock. This is incredible. When I learn, I'll come back here and climb. Coming to a place for the first time is awesome. The problem is you don't know where to take pictures or what's where. And since I don't have a lot of time today, because as I said, I spent a lot of time finding for a parking spot, I think I'm gonna take a picture of sunset from up there, but I got 1 more hour to explore and see what I find. This place is beautiful. And not only rock climbing, but there's hiking trails everywhere. I didn't get a map, so I was using all trails, and I started on one side and then I didn't pay any attention, and I ended up in like 3 or 4 different trails. So I'm gonna start heading my way back up. But there's walking, you can biking, horses, and it's pet friendly too. There's dogs. Bambi loves it here. This is awesome. You would be amazed how difficult it is to get a good image here. The whole place is beautiful, but there's too much going on, so I'm trying to get more simple images. To me, a good composition is one that just tells you what the focal point is. And when you're hunting around the image, trying to find something to look at, it just kind of loses its quality. But there is so much here. It's really hard to simplify an image. I've taken a couple that I think might be simple or just kind of unique, but I won't know until I process them. So I'm running out of time here, so I need to get up to the top here soon. I haven't spent much time in Central Oregon, and I'm gonna have to, because this is beautiful. If you can see the mountains behind me, it's just incredible. But I'm gonna have to come during the week, midweek, and maybe a little bit more off season, because I wanted to fly the drone. And during the summer, there's a lot of nesting birds and stuff like that, and so you're not supposed to. Right now, I'm allowed to, but there's too many people, and you're not supposed to fly above people. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance or not, but I'm definitely coming back. This is beautiful. I might even go rock climbing if I'm brave enough, I don't know. It's steep, there's lots of hiking. It's amazing. So I really wanted to take a good picture here today, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I've been waiting for sunset, and I think I found the spot that I like. I was checking my app for sun and where the sun was gonna be at, and I think it's wrong because it didn't happen like I expected. So I hurried up and came around here, and I got these grass leading in, and the mountain looks really pretty. And I'm just gonna wait see how the light changes. I don't know, it's my first time here, so I really don't know. I got some ideas for next time, which involve a lot of hiking, but we'll see what happens. I'll leave you with some of those pictures. Like I said, this was just a short visit, just kind of getting a general idea what everything is. I'm gonna leave you with those pictures. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.